Green tea latte is a Japanese drink which can be enjoyed hot or cold during all seasons. Let's start! Ingredients: you'll need milk, Japanese green tea powder, water, and eventually some sugar. First, heat up 100 ml water. I use a water cooker. Meanwhile, pour 200 ml milk into a glass, then stir it with a milk foamer. Froth the milk for about 2 minutes. Using cold, skimmed milk is the best for creating fluffy foam. See how big and fluffy it gets? For the green tea, use Japanese matcha powder. Matcha has a much stronger green tea flavor, however, it is not as bitter. Mix 1 teaspoon matcha with the hot water and stir until dissolved. If you like, sweeten the green tea while the water is still hot. 1 or 2 teaspoons of brown sugar should do it. Finally, mix the hot milk with the green tea and top with milk foam. Your Japanese fluffy pastel green drink is now ready. Yum! Boo! Bye bye boo! Oh, and don't forget to subscribe! Thank you!